alone, leave me not alone. Why am I alone when you know that you want me to? Am I wrong?
Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I have a really exciting video, a new wig that just dropped on the block. Absolutely no plucking, no bleaching of the knots, and no glue. Okay, 100% glueless wig. You don't have to do anything to this unit. You don't even have to cut the lace. It's ready to go straight out of the box, and I'm super excited for y'all. So if y'all are interested in seeing how I achieve this easy, simple look, make sure you keep on watching. Alright, so let's get into the details of this unit. First and foremost, thank you ISEE Hair for sponsoring this video. This was actually my first time ever working with this company, and from the jump, they just left an amazing first impression with me, just from presentation, packaging, communication, and customer service. Everything was just amazing, so I was super excited to see what they sent me, which was their new design for their wigs. It's called the ISEE MCAP, and when I tell y'all this wig had so many updates and advantages to it, I will have like the details right here so you can screenshot and actually read about this new concept that they have with these wigs. Straight out of the package, the wig was ready to go. Y'all, look at these knots. Non-existent. The lace was the most thinnest lace that I've ever worn. The curls were just so juicy and just clumped together. Everything was just like so updated and up to par. These combs right here are actually removable, so if you don't like wearing combs with your wigs, you can remove them if they're uncomfortable, and also you can adjust the position of the band to make it tighter or looser. So they actually ended up sending me a separate hairnet to show you guys the internal structure of the actual wig. So this is 9 by 6 inches, lots of parting space. You can wear this as a side part or a deep middle part, and you still don't have to cut that lace. And another one of the new updates is that it has these C curvages by the ear tabs, so it's glasses friendly and you don't have to worry about it irritating your ear. But all of these updates were cool and all, but I'm still stuck on this lace. The fact that I didn't even have to co-wash this unit, I didn't bleach these knots either. The knots were so tiny, I was just like, I don't know if they even bleached the knots, but I wasn't bleaching them because they were non-existent. I'm like, I'm not about to put myself through extra work when I can literally just put this on my head because the knots were so tiny. So as you guys can see, taking off my V-part wig, I need to give my leave out a break again. I'm literally 3 seconds from shaving off my head again. And just wearing closure or frontal wigs, especially if they come in like this with this new concept, gots to know I'm giving the hair a break. So I went ahead and slicked my hair back. I didn't even prep it. The wig was so low maintenance, honey. I didn't want to do anything extra. I'm like, I don't got to do nothing to the wig. I don't want to do nothing to my hair under here. We about to slick the leave out and go straight to work. I ended up using my Fenty bronzer to put on my lace just so it can match my forehead color and not the color of my skin. So I did have on makeup, so I just wanted it to look nice and extra seamless. And y'all, my gosh, like I'm vouching for ISEE. Y'all did y'all big one. This is no glue, lace, spray, nothing, like straight on the head. I didn't even wet the hair. Like, if you want to wear your hair like this, you can wear it like this, but I'm telling y'all, up, down, didn't have to do nothing to this lace to make it look this seamless. So y'all know you can wear it like this if you want, but I'm going to make sure these curls are perfectly clumped and just juicy and ready for the night. So as you guys can see here, I'm combing out the curls because I was just having so many flashbacks of hairstyles I wanted to do with this unit. I wanted to see the natural texture of the hair so I can see just types of versatile styles that I can do with it, and I was feeling it. It was so cute. This literally looks like my real hair. So once I combed it out, I was like, I'm gonna just do it curly. I'm gonna just wear it curly. So I did one side of my head, and we're gonna go ahead and do this other side on camera. But my friend called me while I was recording this video, so I wanna let you guys hear her thoughts. That shit really look like your real hair. It really do. My mom was like, that's all your hair? No, mother. No. I'm so weak, y'all. Everybody was calling me while I was... I actually like when people call me when I'm making my videos because it keeps me entertained. But I was literally done with this wig in 15 minutes. My friend called me and my mother also called me on FaceTime and she was like, what you doing to your hair? It looks so cute. And I'm like, Ma, this is not my hair. I'm filming a video right now. But it was so cute because I was just receiving so many compliments the night that I wore this wig out. My friend was just like, this looks so good. The lace was just lacing, okay? It was melted with no glue or anything. So 10 out of 10. But I ended up just using one product for my hair. I always try to use a Denman brush with my curly hair because it clumps those curls together perfectly. Like if you use a comb or a Y2 comb to clump your curls, it's not gonna clump them. So make sure you got you a nice Denman brush with those thick bristles on it to achieve this look, okay? And I don't know if I forgot to mention the density in inch of this unit, but this is 18 inches and 180% density. So if you guys are looking for a nice wig that you don't have to cut layers in, but still gives you that nice natural look with the perfect density, make sure you check out the description box below for the link to this unit because I didn't have to cut any layers in it. I didn't have to use any scissors for the lace or for this hair to achieve this look. So once I finished styling the left side of my head, I initially wanted my whole head to be air dried because I like how those curls dry, but I was kind of on a time crunch. It was so easy to style the wig, but I forgot about me having to let it dry. So this is how the hair looked air dried for about an hour. But I had to go. It was a little chilly outside, so I didn't want to have damp hair on my head and get sick. So I ended up diffusing it a little, but it was the ghetto version of diffusing because I didn't know where my extension was to my blow dryer and we had to step. So I just had to get it dry and we was just blowing it all over the hair and it came out cute still. So you guys will just see me doing that. And the curls, it made the curls way more fluffier. It kind of took the clump out of them, but I was completely okay with it because it gave me second, third day hair, not first day hair, which was okay because y'all know I like me some big, crazy wild hair. So I was completely okay with the look. But if you plan on having those curls be way more clumped together, I would definitely advise you letting it air dry for at least 2-3 hours so you can get that nice sleek effect. So once I got my hair 100% dry with my blow dryer, I picked it out and just got it nice and big how I like it. But this is pretty much the end of the video. This is my final result. Thank you all so much for watching if you got this far. If you guys are interested in this exact look, make sure you check out the description box below. I will have the inch, density, any details that you may have missed in the video. And I will also have the direct link for you to get this unit if you are interested in it. So thank you guys so much once again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you did enjoy this video. And I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.
Baby, my Valentine.